In the bustling city of Crestonville, where towering buildings and busy streets painted a picture of modern life, there was a hero who stood apart from the crowd, a firefighter named Alex. With a heart of courage and a determination to save lives, Alex was more than just a firefighter, he was a guardian angel for the city's residents. From a young age, Alex had been drawn to the idea of helping others. His grandfather, a retired firefighter, regaled him with tales of bravery and sacrifice. These stories ignited a spark within Alex, a yearning to follow in his grandfather's footsteps and make a difference in the world. As he grew older, Alex trained relentlessly, honing his strength and learning the ins and outs of firefighting. He pushed himself to the limit, driven by a sense of duty to his community. When he finally joined the Crestonville Fire Department, he was ready to face any challenge that came his way. One sweltering summer day, a call came in: a massive fire had broken out in a high-rise building downtown. Smoke billowed from the windows, and panicked screams echoed through the air. Without hesitation, Alex and his team rushed to the scene. As they arrived, chaos reigned. Flames roared, consuming the building's upper floors. Desperate faces peered from the windows, their eyes filled with fear. Without wasting a moment, Alex sprang into action. He raced into the building, his heart pounding as he climbed flights of stairs, his determination unwavering. Inside, the heat was suffocating, the smoke blinding. But Alex pressed on, driven by the knowledge that lives depended on his courage. He searched room by room, guiding trapped residents to safety with a calm reassurance that belied the danger around them. Amidst the chaos, Alex heard a faint cry for help from the top floor. Without hesitation, he dashed upward, his strength fueled by adrenaline and a fierce determination to rescue the voice that called out. Bursting into the room, he found a young girl huddled in a corner, her tear-streaked face a portrait of terror. Alex's soothing words and gentle strength reassured the girl as he lifted her into his arms. Ignoring the scorching heat and the collapsing structure, he carried her to safety, shielding her from harm with his own body. As Alex emerged from the building, the crowd erupted in cheers, their admiration for his bravery echoing through the streets. The fire was eventually extinguished, thanks to the relentless efforts of Alex and his fellow firefighters. The city hailed him as a true hero, a living testament to the ideals of selflessness and courage. But for Alex, the true reward was in the girl's eyes, the spark of hope that had been rekindled by his bravery. He knew that his calling was not just to fight fires, but to inspire others to be fearless in the face of adversity, to rise above challenges and make a difference in their own lives and the lives of those around them. Years passed, and Alex's legacy continued to grow. He visited schools, sharing his story with children and encouraging them to believe in their own strength. He became a symbol of hope and resilience, a reminder that heroes existed not just in comic books, but in the hearts of everyday people. And so, in the bustling city of Crestonville, amidst towering buildings and busy streets, a firefighter named Alex proved that courage, compassion, and selflessness could transform an ordinary person into an extraordinary hero, touching lives and lighting a path of inspiration for generations to come.